Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn setting up the multiple currency rates and the symbols in Magento 2. Okay, so let's have a look of that one, how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So go to the admin panel, stores and the configuration. So go to the admin panel, stores and the configuration we have. Okay, so here we have the store. So by default current default countries and allow countries postal codes. Okay, so this is the different one, right? So store information, this is the different. So we are going to check it of the currencies, right? Let's go. So here you can see that currency setup. Okay, so here we have the base currency is US dollar. Okay, so here you can see that, and here we have allowed currencies, so you can allow the currencies over here also. Right, so you will go with the euro if you want to select, if you want to go with this, go with that. So you can select it over here. You can, I think if you have Indian currencies also, I suppose rupee should be there. Let's check. Yeah, it's Indian rupee. Okay, so let's, and there would be a API, that is fixer API key. Okay, and API layer API key, I think you have to add it. If currency converter API you have, you can just add it. Okay, so let's save this. Store display currency you have selected is not available in the allowed currencies. Okay, so this would be the issue that they would say the default display currency you selected is not available in the allowed. Okay, so display currency is US dollar, so this is not applied for this. If I go with like Indian rupees or something else we have, then it automatically replace it. So let's add the rupee. I Indian rupee. Let's make the store to be Indian rupee. Displays currencies US dollar, Indian rupee. I'm changing the full store. Allowed currencies Indian rupee. Okay, so this would be my base one. Let's try to save this config. Okay, save. Previously it's dollar. Now it's gonna be in the another one. Okay, let's do the home page. Now here you can see rupees is there. Okay, so the rupees, the currency, you can set it from here, right? Currency. And if I want to change this rupee symbol or something, how I can do that? Okay, so here we have the symbols also. Okay, so let's go to the stores. We have a currency rates also, so you can just legacy API. Okay, so no API key was specified, so you have to just go and just add the API key, then it will import that one currency rates. Okay, and then save that currency rates, right? Next step would be the symbols. So here you can see that the by default symbol is this one. If you have another symbol, you can change it up. Okay, so this is what you can save the currency symbol. So this is how you can change the currency symbols, rates. Okay, currency rates, currency symbols, right? And the base also you can change, or multiple currency if you want, you can add it. If I go with the US dollar and select something, so it will give me the list of that one, the store. According to it, it will manage the prices also dynamically, right? So if I have the like dollars, and what would be the Russian dollar, their euro or something, you can select it up. According to it, the prices will fluctuate, because in the currency rates, so here we are going to give them APIs. It will import everything and then save that. Accordingly the prices will be reflected. Okay, so any doubt you are facing in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.